Welcome back to my channel. So today I have an amazing topic for you. I hope you are gaining value for your time and for you actually subscribing to this channel. I hope you're also gaining some value. So today's topic is indicators that can help you as a beginner. For if you're a beginner and you are struggling with your analysis, you don't know which one to use, or you're having difficulty on knowing which is a break of structure, I have an indicator I can recommend to you, that not one indicator but indicators that can help you. Firstly, we start with the market structure, which many of us are struggling with. We have market structure here. Market structure. First, I always start with this one. I'm going to start it now. Market structure by nephew Sam. This is what I'm going to use for the first one, just to show you how it looks like. Now, this is for those that are struggling with understanding how to mark break of structure and how to analyze the chart. They're having difficulty. Now, this particular indicator by nephew Sam gives you four things in the chart. It shows you the break of structure, it shows you the change of character, it helps you with your order block, and also fair value gap. If you look at the chart very well, if you look inside very well, you can see that the market's actually on now, and you can see it's showing me an order block and another what change of character here, meaning an order block was being violated. You can see it, right? It's showing me fair value gap. You can come to your setting here and you can see show break of structure, show change of character. If you scroll down below, you will see show fair value gap after a BOS or a change of character, show OB after BOS and change of character. You can see it, right? You can come here and do your setting, how you want the colors to be. It depends on you. Also, everything still depends on you. How do you want the chart to be? You can come here, increase the green that you see here for the fair value gap. You can come here, increase the blue that you see for the OB. For those that are still growing and are still struggling with knowing how to mark market structure, so this is how it's being done. You mark your structure here, change of character, a swing points being broken here, order block. That's the first indicator I want to introduce to you. The second indicator I want to tell you about, also for market structure, this market particular indicator shows you the fractals of market structure. It's a market structure, you can see it here by LUX Algo. Now, this particular indicator helps you with fractals. What do I mean by fractals? Sometimes you know the normal swing structure, which is here, and it also helps you with internal structures. It helps you with the fractal structures that you see in the market. You can see change of character. This is an inner structure that you won't have seen. That indicator, this LUX Algo fractal indicator, helps you to see the inner structure in an overall structure. I hope this will help you a lot in your analysis. You can see how it looks like, right? The fractals, it shows you the inner structure in the main structure. Normally, you can do this as normal break of structure above here, since this is the other block, but you can see it's showing you the inner movement in the market. You can see, yeah, right, before the change of character. So I use this LUX Algo. I use it sometimes when I was still starting then, just to help me to know my inner structure and when market wants to act very funny. The third indicator I want to introduce to you is what we call the fair value gap indicator. We have the fair value gap indicator. You can use the one from nephew Sam here. You can use the one from nephew Sam, or you can use the one from LUX Algo. But let me tap on the one from nephew Sam. The one from nephew Sam, you can see it here. It's showing me all the sections that have fair value gap. You see market came into the fair value gap. There's a fair value gap currently. The market's actually on now. Fair value gap. If you go around your chart very well, it depends on your setting. You can come in here and set your timer. You can set your timer how you want your chart to be for your fair value gap. You can come here, set the whole timer to your favor. You can delete boxes after fill. That means when the market has been filled, the boxes should be deleted. But if you don't want that, you can unbox it and leave the boxes. Can you see? It will show you all the fair value gaps that would have been filled in the past actually, but you can tick here to remove those ones that have been filled that you don't want to see anymore. Hide fair value gaps lower than the enabled time frame. You can untick this also or tick it. It depends on how you want your chart to be. You can come in here, increase the coloring of the fair value gap. You can decrease the coloring of the fair value gap. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel. You know you're getting some amazing content here, so don't forget to subscribe. And the last indicator, I don't know if my subscription will allow me add a last one into this already, is what we call the smart money. Okay, smart money concept. Also, you can see I start it by LUX Algo. You can see that, right? This is a smart money indicator. It helps you, shows you everything in smart money and also your structure. This is like a fractal. This is like I'll call it the swing structure, change of character on the swing structure, because why? Liquidity was being taken out here. So it's letting you know that this is a very strong low. You can see that, right? Market has created a break of structure here. And also there's also a break of structure here. Can you see that? There's also a break of structure here. And you can see the market is reacting around there. You can see that, right? Break of structure. And also a mini internal change of character, which we believe market will take out this high. It's just the indicator helping you to see a bigger picture of what the market is actually doing, so you can actually see that okay, this and this is happening in the market. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe, and a big shout out to my coach. He really helped me a lot in this forex industry. A big shout out to him also. And also don't forget to subscribe. I like when you ask your question on the comment section. You can see this gave you also equal highs. You can see it just helps you to see the bigger picture in the market. Don't forget to subscribe, ask your questions, share to friends that you feel are struggling with understanding ICT. And I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much.